Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's go to the video before it's too late. Let's go.
Meet 5 of the strangest plant species in the world. 5. Corpse plant. Titanarum, also known as the dead flower or corpse flower, is a flowering plant found in the rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia and Borneo, Malaysia. The smell of this plant is very strange, because it gives the smell of a rotten human corpse. This strange plant only opens in 48 hours, and its rotten smell is so strong that it gathers insects around it. It is also the tallest flower in the world, and grows to a height of 3 meters and rarely blooms. Flowering takes 7 to 9 years, some of which do not bloom after 9 years. In 2003, a specimen of a flower in the botanical garden of the University of Bonn, Germany, bloomed 20 to 28 centimeters in size and set a Guinness World Record. This plant has a strange and scary appearance. 4. Venus trap. Insectivorous Venus can be called one of the most amazing plants on Earth. Carnivorous plants are found only on the southern coast of the Americas in North and South Carolina. This plant has a unique way of hunting prey. They trap their prey by secreting fragrant nectar and red covering of the leaves. Insect-eating Venus usually hunts ants. When the prey sits inside the leaf closes tightly. This plant swallows beetles, flies, locusts, spiders and even small frogs. The opening of the plant is closed to the air, and this feature makes it safe from the penetration of bacteria in the leaves. This plant has unique teeth on its leaves. 3. The ugliest plant. Villachia mirabilis is one of the oldest plants on Earth that has an ugly and strange appearance, and is known as a living fossil. The plant is found in the Namib Desert in Angola and Namibia, and is named after its discoverer, Friedrich Volovich, who discovered it in 1859. Some of the specimens found are between 1,000 and 1,500 years old. This plant exists in a dry and rainless region, and is very resistant to these conditions. In fact, it can be considered one of the most resistant plants in the world. The leaves of this flower have a unique structure that allows moisture to be stored in them. Even the oldest of them has only 2 leaves. The leaves are very long, twisted and have several branches, which make it difficult to find the main branch. 2. The largest flower in the world, called the largest flowerhood plant. Rafflesia arnoldi has a strange and unique appearance of a flowering plant with the largest flower in the world, and can emit the smell of a rotten corpse such as Titanarum, which is why it is also called corpse flower. To be. This plant with the largest flower in the world is native to the rainforests of Sumatra and sometimes Borneo. In 1993, the plant was recognized as Indonesia's rare national plant. This plant is able to grow more than 90 centimeters transversely so that the baby can easily walk and sleep on all fours inside this flower. Which category of plants this plant belongs to is still questionable for scientists. The strange and interesting truth about this plant is that it is parasitic. Parasitic plants suddenly emerge from infected vine trees. 1. Nepenthes ettenborui pit factory. Nepenthes ettenbroja is a large potted plant found only in inaccessible areas of Mount Victoria, central Palawan and the Philippines. This plant is one of the largest potted plants in the world that can easily trap mice or the largest insects. A type of carnivorous jar that inherited its name from the famous and nature-loving speaker, Mr. David Attenborough. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, this plant is among the 100 most dangerous plants and is one of the largest plants on Earth.